Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Easy Maths Lessons. Today we're going to start a new series on fractions. And the first episode in this series will be compare fractions using diagrams. Alright, now what is a fraction? Well, if I look at this bar of chocolate, then you'll see that I have got, if I just give them a quick count here, it looks like I've got 12 pieces of chocolate, right? So I've got 12 pieces of chocolate in total. Now a fraction means part of a whole. So if I eat 2 pieces of this chocolate, then I would have eaten 2 out of 12, so 2 out of the whole. And therefore 2/12 is a fraction. So a fraction is just a part of a whole. Alright, so let's look at this example. I want to know which fraction is bigger, 1/2 or 3/8. Now, the best way to illustrate this is if I've got a fraction wall. And on my fraction wall, I've got 1/2 here and just right here. So 1/2 here, and I've got 3/8 here. 1, 2, 3/8. Now, if I just make them pop out, you'll see that 1/2 is bigger than the 3/8. So 1/2 would be bigger than the 3/8. If I look at another example, and I want to know this time which fraction is smaller, so the 3/4 or the 5/8. Now, if I look at 3/4, I've got 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and I've got 5/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Now, if I look at my 3/4 and my 5/8, I can see that my 5/8 will be smaller than 3/4. Okay, so 5/8 smaller than 3/4. Now it's your turn. Use the fraction wall to help you. So this first fraction wall relates to the first question, and then this second fraction wall relates to the second question, and then you need to do a little bit something on your own in order to do the last question. So pause it, have a go, press play when you're ready. Okay, so I'm going to use my fraction walls to find the bigger fraction. And I can see that from my first fraction, so 1/2 is here, and I've got 2/8 here, and that means 1/2 is bigger than the 2/8. If I look at my second fraction wall, I can see I've got 4/9, which is right here, so 4/9, and I've got 3/6, which is right here, and I can see that the bigger one would be the 3/6. And then the last one, I had to do a bit of a combination here. So I've got my 6s here, and I've got my 8s here, and if I look at my 4/6, so there they are, and I've got my 4/8, I can clearly see that 4/6 is bigger than 4/8. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and press subscribe. You can find me on Twitter at Easy Maths Lesson. You can find me on Facebook, Easy Maths Lessons. There is a group and a page available for you to join in. Until next time, bye-bye.